Alpha Infuse Hair Regrowth positions itself as a natural, holistic solution for individuals struggling with hair thinning, shedding, and early signs of balding by using a carefully crafted formula of botanical extracts, essential vitamins, and minerals that claim to nourish the scalp and stimulate dormant hair follicles into active growth. The appeal of this product lies in its promise to avoid the harsh chemicals, side effects, and inconvenience associated with pharmaceutical treatments, offering instead a gentle topical serum that can supposedly reverse hair loss and restore fullness with consistent application. However, when examining the science behind Alpha Infuse, there is limited clinical evidence specifically validating the efficacy of this exact formulation, and much of the available data on individual ingredients, such as biotin, saw palmetto, and other plant-derived compounds, suggests only moderate benefits that vary greatly between users. Hair loss is a complex condition influenced by genetics, hormonal imbalances, lifestyle factors, and underlying health issues, meaning that no single topical product is likely to produce dramatic, universal results. Customer reviews for Alpha Infuse present a mixed landscape. While some users praise the serum for improving scalp health, reducing shedding, and fostering thicker hair over several months, others express frustration over minimal visible changes despite regular use and cite concerns about the product's price relative to its performance. Additional red flags include inconsistent shipping times, difficulty reaching customer service, and a return policy that some find restrictive, all of which can erode trust and satisfaction. Moreover, marketing materials for Alpha Infuse often lean heavily on emotional appeals and testimonials that may set unrealistic expectations of rapid transformation, potentially misleading consumers who seek quick fixes. Although the product is not evidently a scam, its effectiveness is likely to be modest and heavily dependent on individual circumstances, and it should be seen as one component of a broader hair care and health regimen rather than a miracle cure. Prospective buyers should approach Alpha Infuse with a well-informed mindset, carefully consider their unique hair loss causes, consult healthcare professionals if needed, and manage expectations to avoid disappointment. Ultimately, Alpha Infuse Hair Regrowth may offer incremental benefits for some users, but is unlikely to deliver the sweeping results its marketing suggests. Thanks for watching this detailed review of Alpha Infuse Hair Regrowth. If you found the information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more honest product reviews, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Have you tried Alpha Infuse or any other hair regrowth products? Share your experiences in the comments below. Your story might help someone else make a better choice. Remember, hair loss solutions aren't one size fits all, so do your research and consult with a professional if you're unsure. See you next time and take care.